Day 5 of the Indian Chieftain build. We're locking down the fairing with an overlay technique designed for the long haul. Most people think this is just vinyl. It's not. This is TPU thermoplastic polyurethane. It's thicker, tougher, and built for war. But TPU doesn't like to stretch. It wants to lay flat. On that paint, zero tension is the only way to play. Moving to the fork sliders. Notice we aren't trimming yet. True pros know you have to let the material cure before the final cut. Patience is the difference between a wrap and a commission. Now for the main event. The tank. We're starting from the bottom up, wrapping the underside first. Why? So the top layers overlap downward, shielding the seams from wind, water, and the rider's eye. Finishing up the day with bag spacers and saddle covers. Every piece matters when you're converting matte to metallic cherry red. Day 5 is in the books. The king of baggers is almost ready.